morning to all of you. We have completed reciting Tirupavai for this year. However, most of you might have understood the superficial meaning and also the inner meaning of the Pasuram each and every day. The Pasuram is in the form of a poem consisting of 4 lines each. Then, why it is not named as Kavidai or poem? Instead, it is named as Pasuram. It is because Pasuram is a word accepted from Sanskrit. In Sanskrit, it is Bhasuram. Bhasuram means excellent. And one more meaning is shining, radiant. In Tamil, we can say Prakasamanadu. So, why it is called excellent? Because a great personality called Kodai has rendered it. And it is not an ordinary poem. It has got its own greatness. As such, it is called a great poem and also excellent poem because it is rendered in a beautiful way. Then comes the meaning Prakasamanadu. Why it is Prakasamanadu or shining? Because according to our Hindu belief, light means knowledge and darkness means ignorance. So, Bhasuram, that which is shining, gives you knowledge. Knowledge of what? Knowledge of the Almighty. That is philosophical knowledge. That is why you have 2 meanings for every Pasuram. One is superficial and the other one is deeper. Now, you may get a doubt. Why should a word called Bhasuram be adopted by Tamil people as if there is no other word in Tamil? It is not that way. Normally, each and every language has a give and take policy. Tamil language has accepted words from different languages. For example, you see, Paisa Kudu. Paisa is from Hindi. Na edukume layak kidayadu. Layak is from Hindi. Layak means eligible. In the same manner, if you observe a song from one of the films in which Jaishankar was the hero, En Karukundal Kalandodi Meghangalaga. That is, she feels that, the heroine feels that her black hair is appearing as a dark cloud. For cloud, there is a word called mogil in Tamil. But the poet has used megham. Megham is again from Sanskrit. And one more example. When wife and husband want to take divorce, they approach the court, and once the divorce is granted, we call it in Tamil as Vivaha Raddu. Again, Vivaham is from Sanskrit. If it is Tamil, it should be Tirumanam. And then Radd. Radd is from Urdu. Radd means cancellation. So in this manner, there is a give and take of words from different languages. Anyhow, the purpose of this video was to tell you about Pasuram and its significance, why the word Bhasuram was accepted. I think I am clear in my approach. I thank you all for watching this video. Good day.